Hi everybody, today we'll be going through reverse a linked list. So this is an easy problem on Leetcode. Given a head of a single linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. So for example, let's look at the input. The input is a head where the head is actually 1 and 1 points to 2, 2 points to 3, 3 points to 4 and 4 points to 5. So that is the linked list. And what you need to do is actually take this head with all its nodes and reverse it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will become 5 as the head and it will point to 4, then 3 and 2 and 1. So that's the question. Okay, let's see how we can approach this. So given an input of 1, where 1 is the head, it points to 2, and it points to 3, and 3 points to now, and the output we want is actually now, where 1 points to now, and 2 points to 1, and 3 points to 2. So this is the output that we want, and 3 will be the head. So the first step we need is to actually have 3 pointers. So we can have 3 pointers here. The first one is current, we represent it as C, and then we have 2 more pointers which we will initialize as now. So the second pointer is actually previous, so P for previous, and we need to have the third pointer which is temporary, so we can store temporary nodes as we traverse the linked list. So this is a 4 steps approach. The first step we need to do is to assign this temporary node to current next. So we can assign this temporary node to current next, which is 2. Okay, for the next step, we need to assign current next to point to the previous pointer so that we can get 1 points to now. So we can do the assignment of current dot next equals to the previous pointer, so it will be 1 pointing to now. So that's the second step. And now for the third step, we can assign the previous pointer to be the current. So let's move the previous pointer to be the current. And for the last step, we can assign the current pointer to the temporary pointer that we have assigned here. So current equals to 10. So this is a 4 step to actually do the reversing of this linked list. And then we can check while current is not equals to now, then we can repeat the 4 step again. So temp equals to current dot next, and now current dot next will be pointing to the previous pointer, so it will reverse this arrow, and previous will be current, and current now we can assign it to 10, so we will move. Then we check again if current is not equals to now, we repeat the 4 steps again. So temp equals to current dot next, and current dot next will be assigned to previous, so this arrow will switch, and now previous will be equals to current, so we move it, and current will be equals to 10. And now we can see current is equals to now, so it breaks out of the for loop. And this is how, after that, we can return the previous pointer. So the previous node will have this structure. So that is how we can do it. Okay, so let's take a look how we can do it in the code. Okay, so the first step is we actually check whether the head equals to null, and if it's null, we just return null. Okay, the next step, we assign our 3 nodes. So current will be equals to the head, previous will be equals null, and we have 10 equals to null. Now we need to traverse the linked list. So while current is not equals to null, we need to do the 4 steps, and here we can return previous list node. So the first step is temp equals to current.next. The second step, current.next will be assigned to previous so that we can reverse this arrow. And then the next step is previous will be equals to current to move previous to the next node. And the last step is just to move the current node to process. So current equals to 10. So this is actually the code. Let's see whether it runs. And let's submit it. Yes, so this is the answer to this problem.